Crypto under scrutiny again. What if crypto.com and your favorite altcoins like DOGELONMARS were securities? We about to be talking all about it, man. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification, and leave a comment. And to the XRP community, let me know what's going on between the beef between XRP and LCX. I'm seeing, some things on Twitter as well as in my comments. So I'd love to know what's going on. Leave a comment, man. But let's talk about this crypto regulation. So everybody knows crypto regulation is around the corner. In some cases, people say we got one last bull run cycle before crypto regulation really hits hard. We've had Kevin O'Leary say it's trillions of dollars on the sideline waiting for clarity on crypto regulation. And as you see here, family, we got Elizabeth Warren literally going on a press run, really pushing this whole crypto regulation thing. So what's really going on, man? You feel me? What's going on is that the commodities trade, in the SEC, they're kind of like doing tug and war right now. They're trying to figure out if these cryptocurrencies are going to be securities or these cryptocurrencies are going to be commodities. The thing about it is, it's very simple. It's kind of like stocks. If you buy a stock expecting to make money, that's what makes it a security. All right. If it's a store of value, kind of like oil, kind of like Bitcoin, that's what makes it a commodity. That's the easiest way that I could put it. So if you think about it, maybe a lot of these cryptocurrencies are securities. We've been seeing with the BitLoud situation, FTX situation, Terra Luna Classic situation. We want the community, we want clients, we want consumers, family, to be protected and not rugged. Okay, we don't want none of that happening once these trillions of dollars pour into space. And in some cases, these institutions, they want to invest, but they don't want to get rugged as well. So it is a point of interest. Okay, it is a opportunity there for regulation. But then you got the people that say, well, crypto was supposed to be decentralized, not centralized. I, from a business standpoint, understand how important regulation is, compliance is. So again, family, y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. But yeah, to get to the point, Ms. Warren, she's been going on her press run, just expressing how much she really dislikes cryptocurrency and how it needs to be regulated. All right, family. So what would happen to some of our favorite projects? All right, let's talk about it. What would happen to some of our projects? Okay, so if altcoins and meme coins are considered securities, they would be subject to federal securities laws and regulations, including registration and disclosure requirements. So for instance, a project like the meme coin DOGELONMARS, the founders would have to disclose who they are. You feel me? They would have to become doxed and not undoxed. And, they would have to, come out and say what this project's utility is, and pretty much register the company and cryptocurrency. This would have a significant impact on the training and ownership, as well as the companies and individuals involved in their creation and promotion. It could also lead to increased scrutiny from financial regulators and law enforcement agencies. The price and liquidity of these assets could be affected, as it might be harder for investors to purchase these assets and for exchanges to offer trading of these assets. And not to add, a lot of people would pretty much steer away from cryptocurrency because the volatility wouldn't be there. It'd be a whole lot less volatile with regulation. That's why a lot of people think we got this huge, insane crypto bull run. One last one before everything gets regulated. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Do we have one more last bull run, or is regulation going to come before the Bitcoin halving cycle and bull run? Because right now, family, honestly, it is the wild, wild west. These cryptocurrencies are not FDIC insured. So not your keys, not your cryptos. We've seen exchanges literally just like take people's money and run to the island. So this is why we've under so much scrutiny and kind of like a black cloud with the health of the crypto space. Even though we're seeing, a lot of projects in cryptocurrency come back around, and we're actually seeing some positive things going on as far as price action, is still that elephant in the room, family. And the elephant in the room is regulation and compliance. All right. So what would happen to something like Crypto.com or Binance? Well, let's talk about it right here. If altcoins, meme coins are considered securities, it means that would be regulated by the government, and crypto exchanges like Binance, crypto.com would have to follow strict rules and laws. This could make it harder for these exchanges to list and trade these coins, and could lead to increased scrutiny from government agencies. It could also make it more difficult for people to buy and sell these coins on exchanges. This would also mean that the coins would be seen as less volatile and less speculative, which could affect their price and liquidity. In simple terms, it could make it harder for these exchanges to do business and make it less attractive for people to invest in these coins. And we know when regulation comes out, they're going to be wanting to do surveillance, consumer reporting. We've seen with COINBASE, background checks. I mean, if you got something on your background check, you could possibly get blacklisted off the crypto exchange. So this is why I believe DEXs, decentralized exchanges, could have a nice little push in the next bull run as far as narratives, because they're a lot, well, they're decentralized and they're not centralized like these exchanges. So when the laws come in, and we've seen it, you know, these crypto exchanges, they'll give up the information, the necessary information that they need to keep their business running. We see it all the time with Coinbase. We see it with Binance. We see it with crypto.com. So this is how regulation could affect crypto if altcoins, these exchanges, are all considered securities. And I'd like to know, man, which ones are going to be considered securities, which ones are going to be considered commodities. And bear with me, family. Like I said, it is early in the morning, so if I did butcher any words, work with me. You know what I'm saying? Early, I didn't get my coffee this morning. All right, you know what I'm saying? Your boy ain't get the coffee this morning, but you know, I got a long day ahead of me, and I just had to get this video out. But yeah, Elon, you know what I'm saying? These guys would have to come out and, you know, say who the founder is, who's behind the project. It definitely would be a interesting time if we did get that regulation before the next bull cycle. But yeah, Miss Elizabeth is not playing, man. She's not playing. She's literally going on a press run. And think about the timing. They always enforce these laws, and they put their foot down. It's always when the cryptocurrency space is starting to heat up, right? It's starting to heat up. Everybody knows if Bitcoin gets over 24K, 25K, that's looked at as bullish momentum. And every time I've noticed we get a little bit of bullish momentum, if it ain't the FOMC, if it ain't them walking on the stage like the Men in Black, it's Elizabeth Warren, you know what I mean? All of these people come out and they kind of like spread their little salt on the situation. So we'll just have to see when this crypto regulation does come around and its compliance. And I'd love to see how some of the projects that are compliant, like the Algorithms, the LCXs, the HBARs, the Quants, I'd like to see how those projects also react price wise to crypto regulation. So I'm here for it. Long term, we'll just have to see how everything turns out. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Are altcoins securities? I want to know y'all honest opinion on this regulation thing. It's your boy Soap Guys TV, Millie. I'm out.